Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an Rrsp account on the Scotiabank app. An Rrsp is a retirement savings account that helps you save money for the future. Let's get started. First, open the Scotiabank app and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, go to the Investments section at the bottom. Then tap on Start Investing. Now you will be taken to the Investing page where you can see different options. Scroll down until you find Rrsp, Registered Retirement Savings Plan. Once you see it, tap on Get Started. After that, you will be asked how you want to open your Rrsp. You have a few options. You can use Smart Advisor if you want guided help. You can choose iTrade if you want to manage it yourself, or you can talk to an advisor if you need support. Just choose the option that works best for you. Then tap on Get Started and follow the steps on the screen to complete your application. That's it. Now you know how to open an Rrsp account on the Scotiabank app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.